Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore three words that learners often confuse: suggest, recommend, and advise.
These words are all about giving ideas or opinions to help someone.
But they're used differently.
Many learners mix them up.
But don't worry, we'll make the differences crystal clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to Sabria Afreen for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much, Sabria Afreen. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
All three are about helping someone make a decision or take action.
But there's an important difference.
Suggest and recommend are verbs.
Suggest and recommend are verbs.
I suggest or I recommend. These are verbs.
I have some advice. Can I give you some advice? This is a noun.
Understanding this helps you use them correctly.
Let's start with suggest.
What is suggest?
Suggest means to put forward an idea or possibility.
It's a gentle way to offer an idea.
I suggest we go to the park, offering an idea.
She suggests eating Italian food, proposing an option.
Suggest is quite casual and neutral.
It's not strong, just offering possibilities.
Common structures with suggest.
Structure 1. Suggest plus verb ing.
I suggest going to the movies. She suggests trying the new restaurant.
Structure 2. Suggest plus that plus subject plus verb.
I suggest that we leave early. He suggests that she take a break.
That is optional. You can say it or leave it out.
Structure 3. Suggest plus noun.
Can I suggest an alternative? I'd like to suggest a solution.
These are the main patterns.
Important note about suggest.
After suggest, that, use the base form of the verb not should.
Correct. I suggest that he go. Wrong. I suggest that he goes.
In American English, this is the rule.
British English sometimes uses should. I suggest that he should go. This is British style.
Both are correct in their regions.
Now, let's talk about recommend.
What is recommend?
Recommend means to advise someone to do something.
It's stronger than suggest.
I recommend this restaurant. Strong positive opinion.
She recommends reading this book. Strong endorsement.
Recommend shows you believe something is good or right.
It's based on experience or knowledge.
I recommend it means I think it's good. You should try it.
Common structures with recommend.
Structure 1. Recommend plus verb ing.
I recommend visiting that museum. She recommends studying every day.
Structure 2. Recommend plus that plus subject plus verb.
I recommend that you see a doctor. They recommend that we arrive early.
Structure 3. Recommend plus noun.
I recommend this book. Can you recommend a good hotel?
Same patterns as suggest.
Key difference. Recommend is stronger.
Suggest equals gentle idea. Recommend equals strong opinion.
I suggest Italian food equals how about Italian?
I recommend Italian food equals Italian is really good. You should try it.
Recommend has more weight and confidence.
Now, let's explore advice.
What is advice?
Advice is a noun. It's the ideas or opinions you give someone.
You can't say, I advise you. Wrong.
Correct. I advise you with an S. That's the verb.
Advice with C is noun. Advise with S is verb.
This confuses many learners.
Common structures with advice.
Can I give you some advice? I need some advice. She gave me good advice.
Advice is uncountable, no plural. You can't say advices. Wrong.
Say some advice, a piece of advice, a lot of advice.
I have 3 pieces of advice, or I have some advice. Never, I have 3 advices.
Common phrases with advice.
Give advice, take advice, follow advice, ask for advice, offer advice.
Let me give you some advice. I followed his advice. She asked for my advice.
These are natural phrases.
Now, let's compare all 3.
This is very important.
Situation. Your friend wants to choose a restaurant.
I suggest we try the Thai place. Gentle idea, neutral.
I recommend the Italian restaurant. Strong. I think it's really good.
Can I give you some advice? Choose a place with outdoor seating. Noun, giving guidance.
Different levels of strength and different grammar.
Another comparison. I suggest studying grammar. Notice the idea here is maybe try this.
I recommend studying grammar. Notice the opinion here. This is important.
My advice is to study grammar. Notice this is noun, guidance I'm giving.
Same topic, different approaches.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, I'm planning a trip to Italy. Any suggestions?
Definitely. I suggest visiting Rome and Florence.
Great. How long do you recommend staying?
I recommend at least 2 weeks. There's so much to see.
What about accommodation? Any advice?
My advice is to book early. Summer is very busy.
Should I rent a car?
I suggest taking trains instead. They're faster and easier.
And food. What do you recommend trying?
I strongly recommend the pasta and gelato. And I suggest eating at local trattorias, not tourist places.
Thanks. Any final advice?
Yes, one piece of advice. Learn a few Italian phrases. It really helps.
Did you notice all 3 words?
I suggest visiting Rome. Verb, gentle idea. How long do you recommend staying? Verb, asking for a strong opinion. I recommend at least 2 weeks. Verb, giving strong opinion.
Any advice? Noun, asking for guidance.
My advice is to book early. Noun, giving guidance. I suggest taking trains. Verb, gentle idea.
What do you recommend trying? Verb, asking for strong opinion.
I strongly recommend. Verb with emphasis. I suggest eating at local places. Verb, gentle idea.
Any final advice? Noun.
One piece of advice. Noun, counting advice.
All used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using advice as a verb.
Wrong. I advise you to go. Correct. I advise you to go. Verb with S.
Or, my advice is to go. Noun with C.
Remember, advice, noun, advise, verb.
Mistake 2. Making advices plural.
Wrong. I have 3 advices. Correct. I have 3 pieces of advice.
Advice is uncountable.
Mistake 3. Using to after suggest or recommend.
Wrong. I suggest to go. Correct. I suggest going.
Wrong. I recommend to try it. Correct. I recommend trying it.
Use ing form, not to.
Exception. I recommend that you try it. With that clause, you can use base verb.
Mistake 4. Confusing strength of suggestion.
I suggest seeing a doctor sounds weak when it should be strong.
Better, I strongly recommend seeing a doctor, or I advise you to see a doctor.
Match the word to how strong your opinion is.
How to choose correctly.
Decision 1. Do you need a verb or a noun?
Need a verb? Suggest or recommend.
Need a noun? Advice.
Decision 2. How strong is your opinion?
Gentle, neutral idea, suggest. Strong belief based on experience, recommend.
Decision 3. Are you giving general guidance?
Use advice or advise. Let me give you some advice, or I advise you to. 3 simple decisions.
More practice examples.
Fill in the blank. Which word fits? I blank that we meet at 6 p.m. Neutral idea. Suggest.
I highly blank this doctor. Strong opinion. Recommend.
Can I give you some blank? Noun. Advice.
She blank trying the seafood. Could be either, depends on strength.
If neutral, suggests. If strong, recommends.
Context matters.
Real-life situations.
At a restaurant.
Waiter. I recommend the steak. Strong. It's really good.
Friend. I suggest we share a pizza. Neutral idea.
At a doctor's office. Doctor. I strongly recommend getting this vaccine. Strong professional opinion.
Doctor. My advice is to rest for a week. Professional guidance.
At work. Boss. I suggest we postpone the meeting. Gentle proposal.
Colleague. I recommend using this software. Based on experience.
Different contexts, different words.
Understanding advise, the verb.
Advise is the verb form of advice.
Structure. Advise plus someone plus to plus verb.
I advise you to see a doctor. She advised me to save money.
This structure is different from suggest and recommend.
Suggest and recommend plus ing. Advise plus someone plus to plus verb.
Different patterns.
Formal versus informal.
All 3 work in formal and informal contexts.
Suggest is most neutral, works everywhere.
Recommend is slightly more formal, especially in professional contexts.
Advice is neutral, works everywhere.
But advise, the verb, sounds more formal.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 5 sentences with suggest about daily activities.
Day 2. Write 5 sentences with recommend about things you love.
Day 3. Write 5 sentences using advice as a noun.
Day 4. Practice asking for suggestions, recommendations, and advice.
Day 5. Notice these words in movies or articles.
Day 6. Give a friend suggestions, recommendations, and advice about something.
Day 7. Write a review using recommend and a guide using suggest.
By week's end, you'll master them.
Understanding related phrases.
Can I make a suggestion? Formal way to suggest something.
If I may recommend. Polite, formal recommendation.
A word of advice. Introducing advice.
May I suggest? Very polite suggestion.
These make your language more polite.
Strength levels.
Weakest to strongest.
I suggest. Gentle.
I recommend. Strong.
I strongly recommend. Very strong.
I advise you to. Formal. Authoritative.
I must insist. Strongest.
Choose based on how strongly you feel.
More detailed examples.
Asking for suggestions.
Do you have any suggestions for weekend activities? What do you suggest I do?
These are neutral, open requests.
Asking for recommendations.
Can you recommend a good dentist? What restaurant do you recommend?
These ask for strong opinions based on experience.
Asking for advice. I need some advice about my career. Could you give me some advice?
These ask for guidance or wisdom.
Using in negative sentences.
Negative suggest.
I don't suggest going there. I wouldn't suggest that.
Negative recommend.
I don't recommend this hotel. I wouldn't recommend trying that.
Negative advice.
That's not good advice. I didn't follow his advice.
All work in negatives.
Using in questions.
What do you suggest? Do you have any suggestions?
What would you recommend? Can you recommend anything?
Do you have any advice? What's your advice?
Different question forms for each.
Understanding register and politeness.
Very polite. May I suggest? If I might recommend. May I offer some advice?
Neutral. I suggest. I recommend. Here's my advice.
Direct. Try this. Do that. You should.
Choose based on relationship and situation.
Combining with modal verbs.
I would suggest. I might suggest. I could suggest.
I would recommend. I'd highly recommend. I can recommend.
I would advise. I might advise. I'd advise.
Modals add nuance.
Expressing different levels of certainty.
Tentative. I might suggest checking it first.
Confident. I definitely recommend buying it.
Emphatic. I strongly advise against that.
Very emphatic. I cannot recommend this enough.
Adjust strength with adverbs.
Using with conditionals.
If I were you, I'd suggest waiting.
If you want my advice, I'd say go for it.
If you're interested, I recommend trying it.
Conditionals make suggestions softer.
Common collocations.
With suggest, strongly suggest, might suggest, would suggest.
With recommend, highly recommend, strongly recommend, would recommend.
With advice, good advice, sound advice, valuable advice, piece of advice, word of advice.
Learn these natural combinations.
In professional contexts.
Business meeting. I recommend we implement this strategy.
Medical. I advise you to follow this treatment plan.
Educational. I suggest reviewing Chapter 3 before the test.
Legal. I advise you to consult a lawyer.
Professional language.
In casual contexts.
Friend to friend. I suggest we grab lunch.
Family. I recommend this movie. It's great.
Social. My advice? Just relax and enjoy.
Casual and friendly.
Understanding subtle differences in meaning.
I suggest it means I think it's a possibility worth considering.
I recommend it means I think it's good and you should try it.
My advice is, based on my experience or wisdom, this is what I think.
Each has a slightly different feel.
Responding to suggestions, recommendations, and advice.
Accepting. That's a good suggestion. Thanks for the recommendation. I'll take your advice.
Declining. I appreciate the suggestion, but thanks, but I'll try something else.
Thanking. Thanks for suggesting that. I appreciate your recommendation. Thank you for the advice.
Polite responses.
Quick review. Suggest and recommend are verbs.
Advice is a noun. Advise is a verb.
Suggest is gentle, neutral idea.
Recommend is strong opinion based on experience.
Advice is guidance or opinions given to someone.
Suggest, recommend plus ing, or that clause.
Advice is uncountable, no plural.
Don't use to directly after suggest or recommend.
Match strength to situation.
You now understand all three completely.
These words help you give helpful ideas to others.
Use them to guide friends, colleagues, and family.
Practice makes perfect.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I recommend blank. Tell us something you love.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.